The Yoga of Drawing by Jean Carbonetti. Right, in the Yoga of Drawing we have a range of different chapters: introduction, receiving, feeling, seeing, touching, simplifying, choosing, expressing, exploring, loving. Now, I brought this book because it says uniting the mind, body and the spirit in the art of drawing, and she goes through the meaning of yoga, and then it's filled with a range of beautiful artwork that she's done, and showing you how to meditate, how to use meditation, how to use this book. It's divided into 3 parts: mind, body and spirit, each unfolding into the next, in which your natural sense of movement takes you through gesture and contour, drawing from the world of the logical mind into the world of the body mind, the right and the left brain, where seeing relationship opens the path to drawing. Then you are ready to flow outward into the mind chapters. So there's a process in which you take through this book, and yoga principles drive the approach applied to drawing. So patience, understanding will guide your work instead of judgment and hasty conclusion. And in every chapter there is a meditation, and then she looks at materials in which you can use to help guide you. And I think it's really to improve it's looking at your creative process. I mean, how are you in terms of, how are you working as an artist? What are the pressures or the issues that you always present yourself with? Do you allow your creativity to flow? Are you tight in the way that you hold your supplies? Are you judging yourself? How can you relax more into it? There's other work by other artists, but as I say, in every chapter it starts off with a meditation, and then she gives you an example, an exercise for you to work through. And at the art of bliss, doesn't that sound lovely? So there's further recommended reading that she puts at the back: the art of responsive drawing, the zen of seeing. So it's a lovely book, even with the artwork that it provides. But again, it's seeing your creativity as more than just, I'm going to paint a picture and that's it, but it's putting the meaning and the feeling, and the very act of creating is has an impact on your health and well-being. So this is a lovely book to help you explore that.